Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. I am Dharam Prakash, your mathematics teacher. So now today we are going to discuss chapter number 9, multiplication and division of decimal fraction. And in this chapter, we will discuss division of decimal fraction by a multiple of 10, 100, 1000, etc. Okay. So let some examples. For examples, the one 2.5 divided by 10. 2.5 divided by 10. So let us start solution. So first method is we have to convert the decimal fraction into fractional number. Okay. So first method 1. Let us start solution. So first of all we have to write 2.5 is a decimal fraction. For decimal fraction change into fractional number. So here is one place of decimal, so remove the decimal and write down in denominator by 10. Okay, so this is 25 by 10, now divided by 10. And second step, we have to change the division sign into multiplication sign. Okay, so first, and this is here is 10 by 1. So now write here 25 by 10 and change the division sign into multiplication sign. So this part is reciprocal. So reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. Okay, is it clear? So now multiply 25 into 1 upon 10 into 10. Okay. So now 25 1 ja 25 and 10 10 ja 100, and this is fractional number. And now again we have to change the fractional number into decimal fraction, because in this question quotient is decimal fraction. So fractional number change into decimal fraction. So first of all denominator have hundreds and 100 have 2 zeros. So put the decimal in numerator after 2 place from right to left. So put the decimal. So first place is 5, second place is 2, and put the decimal here. So our required answer is 0.25. Okay, and now same question, this is division method 2. So let divide 10 divides 2.5. 10 divides 2.5. So 2 is not divisible by 10. So 0 times 10 into 0, this is 0. Now subtract, this is 2, and shift the decimal here and write down 5. 10 2 ja 25, 10 2 ja 20. Now subtract, this is 5 and this is cancel. So here is decimal place, so write here 0, and 10 5 ja 50. So 10 5 ja 50. Now subtract, this is cancel, this is cancel. So our required answer is 0.25, and this is our required answer. Okay. Now we have to solve some questions of exercise 31. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Question number 1. A. 1.2 divided by 10 equals to what? 1 0.2 divided by 10 equals to what? So now solve this question. So first of all, change into the decimal fraction into fractional number. So we can write this is 12 by 10 divided by 10, and we can write 10 by 1. So now second step, 12 by 10 and division sign change into multiplication sign, so that a multiplication sign, and this part is reciprocal, so 1 by 10. So now multiply 12 1 ja 12 and 10 10 ja 100. So denominator have two zeros, so put the decimal after two place from right to left in the numerator. Okay, so our required answer is 0.12, and this is your required answer. So put here, right here 0.12. Okay, and next question, question number B, 14.23 divided by 10. 14.23 divided by 10. So let us start. So 14 by 10 is decimal fraction. Or now change the decimal fraction into fractional number. So we can write 1423 upon 100 divided by 10. Now we can write 1423 upon 1000 and division sign change into multiplication sign. So 10 is reciprocal, so reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So now multiply 1423 upon 100, 10 ja 1000, and 1000 have 3 zeros, 1000 have 3 zeros. So put the decimal after 3 place the numerator from right to left. So our required answer is 1.423. Okay, so right here 1.423. So the division of 14.23 divided by 10 equals to 1.423, and this is your required answer. Okay, so next question. So now question number C, 0.456 divided by 10. So first of all, change the decimal fraction into fractional number. So we can write 456 upon 1000, because 3 place of decimal, so put the 3 zeros 1. Okay, divided by 10. So now we can write 456 upon 1000 and division sign change into multiplication sign. So reciprocal of 10 is 1 by 10. So now multiply 456 1 ja 456 and 1000 10 ja 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 have 4 zeros, so put the decimal after 4 place. Okay, so first place is 6, second place is 5, third place is 4, and 4 place is 0. So put the decimal here. So our required answer is 0.0456, 0.0456, and this is your required answer. And next question, question number D, 237.56 divided by 100. Okay, so now first of all we have to change decimal fraction into fractional number. So we can write 23,756 upon 100 divided by 100, and now we can write 23,756 upon 100. Change the sign of division in multiplication sign. So reciprocal of 100 is 1 by 100. Now multiply to 23,756 by 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 have 4 zeros, so put the decimal after 4 place from right to left. So our required answer is 2.3756. So our required answer is 2.3756, and this is your required answer. Okay, so today your homework, do exercise 31, question number 1. Okay. Is it clear? Thank you.